We'll guide you through how to add text in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project where you want to add text. Once your project is open, make sure you're in the Edit tab, which you can find at the bottom of the interface. Then, go to the Effects library on the upper left side and click on it to expand the menu options. From there, find and click on the Titles category. You'll see several text options like Text, Text, and Fusion Titles. For a simple text edition, you can drag the Text or Text option onto the timeline above your video clip. If you're looking for more advanced animations or effects, explore the Fusion Titles instead. After dragging your chosen text option onto the timeline, you can customize it by clicking on the text clip in the timeline to select it. Then, head over to the Inspector panel on the top right. Here, you can type in your desired text, adjust the font, size, color, and other properties to match your video style. If you want to animate the Text Plus option gives you more flexibility, allowing you to add keyframes for animations directly from the inspector. Once you're satisfied with how the text looks, you can play back your video to ensure everything is aligned and appears correctly. If you need to make further adjustments, simply click back on your text clip and tweak the settings in the inspector. Remember to save your project frequently to avoid losing your work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.